Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how you can add a YouTube video to Canva. So if you have an account, log in, but if you don't, sign up. I'm going to sign up really quick on this one here and click continue with email, and I'm just going to use a temp email for this video, but if you have a real email, just plug that in and then create one. And now just put a name in, and now you'll get a code, and there we go, we have the code, and now we open it. And now we copy this and put that in here. And there you go, maybe later, and then just click one and then skip and skip. And there you go, we are in Canva. So now how do you add a YouTube video to the Canva? So all you got to do is click on one of these, maybe go for you or go YouTube, thumbnail, and we just click a blank one. And you want to go down to apps here, and you can click YouTube right here and click open, and now we can search YouTube. We can add this here. There we go, we've added that video right there, and now we have added this video to Canva. So now you can press play.
How you going? Now I don't.
And as you can see, you can go through it here. And that is one way you can do it. And another way that you could do this, you could go to apps here and search up embed, and now you click this one here and go open, and you can go to YouTube, and we can just click a random video. So we'll just go to this one here, and we'll copy that. And then we'll go back to here and paste the web link here and click next and next, and then we'll go add design, and there we go, we have that video in here. And I'm pretty sure there's another way you can just do it, a simple way. You just go to another video and go to this one here, or you can go to copy video URL and go back to here and then paste it straight in. So that one is probably the easiest. You just go to the video and click copy video URL and paste it in. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. So thank you for watching. Thanks. Peace.